Hi everyone. Last time we have defined the parallelogram and we have talked a little bit about its properties. Today we'll have some applications about the properties of the parallelogram. Observe this figure. We have ABCD is a parallelogram and we want to find the value of x. We have angle A equal 2x minus 50 degrees and angle C equal x plus 50 degrees. Notice that the two angles A and C are opposite. So, since the angles A and C are opposite, then they are equal. In a parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal. This is the property we are talking about. So angle DAB equal angle BCD. Angle DAB is 2x minus 50, which is equal to BCD, x plus 50. So I will send x to the left hand side and I will send minus 50 to the right hand side. But don't forget, everything we move it from one side of the equal to the other, we will change its sign. So it will become 2x minus x equal 50 plus 50. Observe that we have changed the signs. Now 2x minus x is x and 50 plus 50 is 100. So x equal 100. Let's have another application about angles. We'll talk now about consecutive angles. Consecutive angles, or sometimes they are called adjacent angles or angles adjacent to the same side. These are supplementary. They are not equal. They are supplementary. Their sum is 180. So we know that in a parallelogram the consecutive angles are supplementary. Their sum is 180. Then angle NKL plus KNM, the coded angles, their sum is 180. So 2x minus 20 added to 3x plus 50 equal 180. It means that 5x plus 50 30 equal 180. Now I will send 30 to the right hand side and change its sign. It will become minus 30. So 5x equal 150, or x equal 30 degrees. Now let's talk about diagonals. Observe this figure. We have KLMN is a parallelogram and we want to know the values of x and y. O is the center of the parallelogram. It is the midpoint of the two diagonals. The diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. They have the same midpoint. It means that KO equal OM and NO equal OL. This is the meaning of bisecting each other. So we'll start by saying that NO equal OL. What is NO? It is 3y minus 3. So I will replace NO by 3y minus 3 and I will replace OL by y plus 7. So 3y minus 3 equal y plus 7. I will send y to the left hand side and send minus 3 to the right hand side, and don't forget, everything we move it from one side to another will change its sign. So we'll obtain 2y equal 10 and y equal, in this case, 10 over 2, which is 5. So we obtained 5. Now we want to find the value of x. So I will take the other equality. It says that MO equal OK, because O is the midpoint of the other diagonal KM. So x plus y plus 1, it is mo. I will replace mo by x plus 1, and I will replace ok by y. But y, we know its value. We have already found y. It was 5. So I will replace y by 5. So it will be, the equation will be x plus 1 equal 5, or x equal 5 minus 1, which is 4. And we are done. Now let's talk about the sides, the property of sides. Let's see what will happen. LOVE is a parallelogram. Find x and y. And there's an additional question. What do you notice? There's something hidden. Let's see. Now we know that in a parallelogram the opposite sides are equal. So I will start by the side LE, which should be equal to OV. LE is replaced by 7 and OV is replaced by y minus 3. So y minus 3 equals 7. Send plus 3 minus 3 to the right hand side. It will be plus 3. So y equals 7 plus 3, which is 10. There's nothing strange here. Everything is okay. Y equals 10. The side LE measures 7 and the side OV consequently measures 7. Now let's look for the value of x. We have LO equal EV. LO is replaced by 2x minus 6 and EV is replaced by x minus 5. So 2x minus 6 equal x minus 5. Send the x to the left hand side and send minus 6 to the right hand side. We'll obtain 2x minus x equal minus 5 plus 6. 2x minus x is x, and minus 5 plus 6 equal 1. The value of x is 1, but there's something in the question. Could you observe it? If x equal 1, then the measure of the side EV is x minus 5, which is 1 minus 5. It is minus 4. Minus 4 is the length of the side. It is impossible. The length of the side should be positive. So we say in this case it is impossible. There is no solution. There is some contradiction, some paradox. This is not a parallelogram. EV could not be a side of a parallelogram since its length is minus 4. The length of the side should be always positive. That's all for today. See you again. Bye bye.